Any final words? You gonna miss Lancaster?
No. Had a good time, pal. Don't worry.
Justin, I see the train, man. It's coming. You know, Claude would be pushing you out on the ledge. Claude would be pushing. You glad he didn't come to watch you get on the train? He would have said sayonara 100 different ways. He couldn't wait for this moment. Maybe next time Tommy will get on the train.
I gotta catch the train, buddy. I'll see you later.
He's,
Give me a hug.
love you.
See that, pal.
Be safe, okay?
Yep.
Oh, it's coming real fast this time. You better watch out. I've never seen it moving. Must be going like 95 miles an hour right now.
This you, Ricky.
I know, that's just...
This you.
Yeah, that's me. What do you think? You think Tommy will ever do this one of these years?
Don't hit him, pal.
There you go. Accept it. Feel it.
Like I said,
They don't expect me to get on, do they?
Nothing. No, you're not taking them nowhere, pal.
Yo, look at this shit. Oh,
You just got bit, man. What the heck bit you?
fucking no, but I better not die.
Make sure he survives the train ride. Racing inside. Justin, that's a... I think he got bit by one of them poisonous spiders, I'll tell you. Love you guys. See ya. Have fun. That's it. Joe and Justin are headed back to Philly. They're off. There's the train. Then Joe's on and Justin's on. And they're on. Peace out.